guys, here is another trick. I'm going to do a performance of this, and then I am going to do a tutorial all in the same video, because last time I did it's 2 videos, but there's really no need for that. Right, so we'll start off by shuffling the cards a little bit. Right, there you go, that was a bit of a fail. Right, now I'm going to get 4 cards. I'm going to start putting the cards out like this. Right, I've laid out an amount of cards there. Right, so now I'm just going to start going along. Like that. And I have a spectator waiting to help me with this trick. Sorry, this is taking a minute, setting out the cards. Right then, I am going to ask my lovely spectator to point at a pile. Oh no, hang on. I'm going to choose 4 cards first. There's my 4 cards. Hope you can see them. Can you? On the edge there, that is a king of diamonds. This takes up quite an area. There you go. Can you just see the edge? It's the king of diamonds if you don't know. Right. Now I'm going to ask my lovely spectator to point out a row or a column around the edge. Right, that pile there. Right, in a second I'm going to ask him to point out another one. Point out another one please, my lovely spectator. This line again, he says, with enthusiasm. You just can't hear it. Right, again please, beautiful spectator. This line again. Thank you very much. Right, one of these please, my lovely spectator. No, one of the edge ones please, sweetheart. This one here. Right, and again please. This one on the end. And again please. Thank you very much. Right, and now I think you'll find if we lay out the cards like that, there is 4 that are face down. There they are. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now, my lovely spectator, could you turn over these 4 cards for me, please? When he gets his hand out of the way, there they are. The 4 beautiful aces. Right, for this trick, all we need to do is make sure the 4 aces are on the top of the pack. And then we deal down packs of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. There you go. There's 4 packs of 4 laid out like that. Right. And then, when you're laying these cards out, you must make sure that when you go along like this, because your 4 aces, they are now on the bottom of the pack, like that. They're on the bottom of the pack. There you go. Right, so you must make sure the aces go in a diagonal line across the table. So, you go 1, 2, 3, and then on the 3rd one, discreetly take one from the bottom. Okay? So on this one, 1, 2, on this one, so they're going diagonally, discreetly take one from the bottom. There we go. And then on this one again, so they're going in a diagonal line, the next one will be there, discreetly take one from the bottom. Right, and then obviously on this one, it's the bottom corner there. And as long as you set the cards out like this, the trick will always work. Always. Okay, thank you for watching.